How can you tell the difference between can and can't? I just can't hear the t. I can swim. I can dance. Don't worry too much about the t, but listen more to the rhythm pattern. Di-di-da. I can swim. I can swim. The accent is on swim. Now how about dance? I can dance. Di-da-da. One short, two long. Di-da-da. Because can't is important. Affirmative, negative. I can swim. I can't dance. Don't worry that much about the t, because many times it's just inaudible. Let me give you an example. I can tell him. Now what about the negative? Well, I don't hear two t's. I can't tell him. No, the two merge into one. I can tell him. So what helps me is the rhythm pattern. I can tell him. Positive. I can't tell him. It's negative. Now when do you use can in the full form? Can you swim? Yes, I can. There it's clear and full. In the question, can you swim? Or in the affirmative, I can swim. It's only can.